How to make and create games logo on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to create games logo in less than 1 minute, go to canva.com, log into your account and click here in the top, click on create a design, search for logo and click on the first option. Now go here and scroll down on this page until you find games/recreation logo. Click on see all and choose a logo to edit. For example, let's choose one of these. For example, you have many options as you can see. Choose for example this one and you can edit everything right here. After you finish, click share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. See you later.